This is the final submission for Odisha 2021, and we are here with chat code where people can code together. Our team name is Fantastic Four, and which consists of four members, which is shown here. So, how do you plan to code together with your coding buddies? You may use Discord, Google Meet, MS Team, etc. to join the audio channels, and the person writing the code will share the screen to show the code to the others. What are you missing on that? The other friends cannot modify or run the code you guys are working on. Sharing the entire screen requires high bandwidth internet connection. So, how would you like a platform where everyone of your squad can modify the code while joining the audio to discuss it all? Our team Fantastic Four is here with Chat Code, where you can chat with your friends while talking to them and code together. So, what are the features of the chat code? Create different rooms, join voice channels, and create or modify rooms and run the code together. Then users can join multiple rooms and having password security in the rooms. Also, we have implemented multiple themes, and you can also we have implemented multiple themes, and you can change the font in the editor and so on, which is fully customizable. User can write the code written in different run the code written in different programming languages. Technology is used in this website chat code. So first of all, the backend is of Node.js, then the front end is of Next.js, which is the framework of JavaScript. Then we have used TypeScript, and for database we have used MongoDB, and for socket things we have used Socket.io. Thank you. So here is our website where people can go together. So this is the dark theme and the light theme feature here, where this is the rooms which you are currently entered or created the rooms. So if you want dark theme, you can toggle from here. You can the whole website will be changed to the light or dark theme, whichever you prefer. Then you can create your own room. I'm just now creating the room with username and room name. We have also implemented the password for the room. This is for security purposes. If you want no one to join the room without password, then you can use the password. By default password is 123. So you have created the room. Okay, so this is the room which you have created, and first of all here you have to write your code. Then you have to write input over here and output will be shown here. So this is like the competitive programming environment for everyone. Also you can chat from here. Here is my name and the message here, and the time relative time will be shown here. Okay, so you can choose different programming languages from here, like you can choose Kotlin or JavaScript or C++, and also you can use different type of themes like Solaris Dark or Terminal or any other like Monokai, or you can select any of them. So just now I'm selecting Python 3, and you can also change the font size of the editor. I prefer 20 just now. So here, if you want to run the code, you just have to click on save and run. So the code will be shown here with the time you have taken and the success rate of the code. Now, if any one of your friend wants to join this room, then you just have to copy the room info from here, or this is the ID of the room. So I'm joining with the other window like incognito. So I am here joining room. Here you to write your name and the room ID which you have currently copied. I prefer dark mode here. Then you have to write the password. Default is 123, and you just have to press on here. Join the room. Now if you change any of the code like here, you will see you are directly reflected with the change code from here. So like you can also use default repeat currently provided. I'm writing some code like print hello, so it is also reflected over here, print hello. I'm running the code over here. And one more thing, you can chat live. So if I do hello to, then the chat will be So you can write a live chat over here, and it will be reflected to the other window which you have created. So I am writing like 2 here. Let's load and type the 2 here. So it will show here. Also there is one more feature, like if you refresh the page, so the page the chats will be secured in our database, so it will not get removed from your storage or like that. Also the code which you have written will also be stored in the database. So if you write written so many code, and if you are reloading the website, then your code will be there, so don't worry about that. So that is it for just now. Also we have tried to implemented audio audio feature in this website, but due to the lack of the time we cannot able to finish it. But we have done like this: join audio. If you join audio, then first of all you are muted here. If you want to unmute, then you have to click here, so you can now talk to each other, and then you can leave audio from here. So that is it for this project, guys. I hope we hope really we really hope that you like our project. Thank you.